Good morning, dear students. Today's topic is structure of human heart for class 10th. The human heart, it is a pumping organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It is a clenched fist-sized, thick, muscular and contractile organ. Amiuk color is reddish brown. Beshi bottom sides mas conical. Image position, it is slightly towards the left side of the thoracic cavity. The öndin double layered transparent thin sac that's called pericardium. The pericardium bachawa from mechanical injuries and allows its frictionless movement. Structure internally human heart four chambered, two upper chambers and two lower chambers. The upper chambers are called as auricles. Baniam the chamber asan ventricles. Left side kis auricle asan left auricle, to right side auricle go right auricle. It happens asa baniam the chamber yam asan ventricles, left ventricle and right ventricle. Auricles asan separated by an interauricular septum. It happens ventricles asan nish separate alag by interventricular septum ताकि at gets mixing of blood कहें ते अच्छा अत मज right auricles आसान nemic human heart they receive deoxygenated या यथ इस वना impure blood from most parts of the body by great veins. इथे पच left auricles आसान receive oxygenated blood from lungs. Using the iman septum mixing of blood there is complete separation of deoxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Using the left right auricles deoxygenated blood common right ventricle. Left auricles oxygenated blood to left ventricles. Iman ventricle auricle and ventricle darmiyan valves. Yani flow of blood it is guarded by valves. Yet yaman darmiyan right side tricuspid valve, left side bicuspid valve. Taki at gets the back flow of blood kehente. Ithai point ventricles asan thoda large as compared to auricles and they are thick walled. Act as distributing chambers ताकि blood distribute to the whole body. Yaman don darmiyan interventricular septum to prevent the mixing of blood. Is pulmonary aorta arise from right ventricle. Ish carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. You systemic aorta which arises from the left ventricle, it carries oxygenated blood to other parts of the body. Great arteries origin from ventricle pest. Guarded by semilunar valves. Taki it gets the backflow of blood from great arteries to ventricles. The heart rosa continue pump throughout the body. The image maintain life maintain gasa. Let's heart the stages of heartbeat. Yeah, you see flow of blood gasan by pumping of this heart. Heart usually it is formed of cardiac muscles which have the properties. Cardiac muscles they don't get tired. They have the property of excitability and contractility and conductivity. When these cardiac rhythms stimulate gasan properly, they get excited and the excitation waves as cardiac and conduct the excitation waves as cardiac impulses. Due to this flow of blood, blood flow in a specific and unidirectional manner, while backflow of blood is prevented by the valves inside the heart chambers. Contraction of cardiac muscles contract systole. Relax diastole. Arterial three stage heartbeat. Arterial diastole, arterial systole, ventricular systole. 3 stages. گۄڈٕنٮ۪تھ ییٚلہِ آرٹریل مسلز رِلیکس گژھان چھِ یِم آرٹری آسان چھِ یِہُنٛد سایز چھِ گژھان اِنکریٖز تاکہِ زیادٕ کھۄتہٕ زیادٕ بٕلڈ ہٮ۪کن یِم پانَس منٛز سمیٹِتھ یِتھَے پٲٹھۍ ییٚلہِ زَن رایٹ آرِکل چھِ یُس آسان چھِ سُہ چھِ کران رٔسیٖو ڈِ آکسِجنیٹِڈ بٕلڈ لیفٹ آرِکل یُس آسان چھِ سُہ چھِ کران رٔسیٖو آکسِجنیٹِڈ بٕلڈ فرٛام لنگس ییٚلہِ یِم فُل یِوان چھِ اَمہِ پتہٕ چھِ گژھان آرٹریل سِسٹول دوٚیِم سٹیج اَتھ منٛز چھِ گژھان یِم آرٹریل زٕ چھِ کران یِتھ پٲٹھۍ کنٹریکٹ تاکہِ یِم کرن یہِ بٕلڈ گژھِ فلو کوکُن وینٹرِکلن کُن اَتھ سٹیج چھِ أسۍ وَنان وینٹرِکل آرٹریل سِسٹول تھٲڈ سٹیج چھِ گژھان اَتھ منٛز وینٹرِکیوٗلر سِسٹول وینٹرِکیوٗلر سِسٹولس منٛز چھِ گژھان کنٹریکشن آف وینٹرِکل مسلز اَمہِ سۭتۍ چھِ گژھان یہِ ڈِ آکسِجنیٹِڈ بٕلڈ فرٛام رایٹ وینٹرِکلز از پمپٕڈ ٹُو د لنگس by pulmonary arch while oxygenated blood یُس زن تہِ left ventricles منٛز آسان چھِ it's carried to other parts of the body by systemic aorta and its branches یِتھ پٲٹھۍ چھِ گژھان اَتہِ heart beat thank you